Thank you, sir.
What is the full form of RTMNU?
Rashtrapati Tukaroji Maharaj, Nagpur University.
What is MOS?
MOS?
Yeah. One MOS.
So it's a month.
Okay. So tell me about your experience with Amigos.
Yes, sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to explain about company. Sir, Amicus Tech Private Limited is a IT company. Uh, our college, Cummins College of Engineering, gave us opportunity to work there for 1 month to utilize our knowledge and to learn new things about React.js technology. It is a JavaScript library where you can create a web page. It is interactive web page. There can their user interaction with. Just like in Facebook, when we use password and ID, that is a user interaction.
Okay. So, what did you learn there?
I learned about React.js new technology and work there with different professionals who work in their respective domain very professionally.
If you had unlimited budget, what innovations would you like in our country?
Sir, first of all, there is a unemployment here. Then I will provide the young generation to their how in young generation they have different ideas about, but they didn't share it. We can utilize that idea to help them and innovate new things for our country.
Okay. Nothing related to technology.
Yeah, it's related to technology.
I'm asking what you have in your idea bank for innovation.
It's like it's artificial intelligence IoT. They are both technology that currently working. So with the help of that technology, we can demonstrate or create new things. Have you know this?
Yeah. But don't you think that one hand you are saying that you want to help the youth in employment, another way you are saying that you want to promote artificial intelligence. So if you promote artificial intelligence, it is going to the machines are going to acquire more jobs of humans. That is going to result in more unemployment.
Yes, sir, but they employ their idea. Yeah, how to demonstrate or they create new things in their field. They can gain knowledge in that.
But will it not result in unemployment? Because machines would be doing our jobs then.
Yes, sir, I agree with you.
Then, do you have any solution for that?
If we, but the machine work very fast than human being.
Yeah. Any solutions for human beings for that?
I don't. But I will search on it.
Okay. Um, Suppose I give you 10 crore rupees and I tell you to solve any one problem that is there in this world. What will that problem be?
Currently, it's the coronavirus that is Omicron and all pandemic situation. So I will utilize that money on the human beings who are currently facing that problem and all other things. I will help them.
How?
As a they need some technically that some people are facing problems that are related to farmers. Farmers is saying that they have gained multiple uh, in land. They have given multiple help, but our governments didn't help them. That they are rate about foods they are decreasing. So we can help them about that money, and also about that is all.
One hand you are saying coronavirus, second you said farmers.
Due to the coronavirus, farmer are facing that problem.
Yeah.
So
So, but
if we face
is the farmer issue a world problem or is just a India related problem?
corona is a all our world, so corona patient that we can help them. That patient need help.
You know the full form of Adobe?
So Adobe is a no, I don't know.
So, what kind of acting were you into?
So I'm in college and primary school. I did drama where I act as a doctor who is helps needy people in their village to how in village people are facing problem due to the due to the virus that and they have some fever and all things. Then as a doctor I need to help them.
Great. Thank you for coming. All the best.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day, sir.
Same to you.